Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. The touch areas located at the back side of each earbud, right here at the top. To increase the volume, you need to slide up at this area. To lower the volume, you need to slide down at this area. Now let me put it to my ears and play some song. Firstly, I'm going to slide up to increase the volume, so let's check it. And as you can see at this widget, I increase the volume. You can use your left or right earbud. Now let's try to slide down to lower the volume. And as you can see at this widget, I also did it. Now, you cannot modify it. I mean, you cannot add this feature to another gesture, because if you open the application, you can open HUAWEI AI Life, or on the iPhone you can also open HUAWEI Connect. It's the same. You go to the gesture control. For the double press, we cannot edit. We have no option for volume control. For the triple press, the same situation. For the press and hold. Also, we have it also for the swipe. And we cannot add something else at the swipe. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.